Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account you use for YouTube. This ties the purchase to your profile. Once done, add or confirm a valid payment method, card, PayPal, or carrier billing, so the purchase completes smoothly. Then pick the type of subscription you want, individual, family, or student. Each has different pricing and limits. Make sure to check whether you're eligible for the student rate or family sharing before moving to the next step. Now navigate to purchases and memberships from your profile and select YouTube Premium. Choose the exact plan you decided on, individual, family, or student, and confirm whether a trial is offered. Trials often convert automatically, so note the date. Enter or confirm payment details, accept the terms, and complete the purchase. Once processed, the service enables ad-free playback across signed-in devices, background play, and downloads. Keep an eye for the finish by verifying ad-free playback. Play a video while signed into the account that purchased premium. Ads should be gone immediately. If you still see ads, sign out and back in, update the app, or clear the app cache. This often forces the app to refresh your subscription status. If problems persist, check the confirmation email for account details and contact Google support or request a refund within the trial period. One key tip: ensure you're using the same Google account across all devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.